Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make sorrel drink for this Christmas. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. The ingredients for this sorrel drink will be down in the description box so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's all what I'll be using to prepare my lovely sorrel drink. I'll be using some cinnamon leaf, also a piece of cinnamon stick. You're going to need some pimento, also some ginger. You're going to need some brown sugar. I'll be using 4 packs of this dry sorrel. Also you're going to need some red label wine and also some Wray white rum to go with it. Now you want to go ahead and get your pot that you're going to boil your sorrel in. I'm using a medium-sized pot with about 9 to 10 cups of water in it on a medium heat. You just want to leave this to come to a boil before you add your sorrel in with your ginger, and I'll get right back to you guys. Now guys, in the meanwhile I'm waiting on my pot with my water to come to a boil. You just want to go ahead and get yourself a basin where you're going to throw your dry sorrel in. Guys, we're just going to give these sorrel a rinse under some cold water to wash away any debris or anything like that that's in there. Guys, these packs hold about 100 grams of dry sorrel in it. So that, guys, just want to give these a rinse now under some cold water. Do it, guys. Make sure you rinse off your sorrel before you start to throw them inside your pot. Just give them a small rinse. Just like that, guys. There you have it, guys. Let's rinse off the sorrel. Just going to put these one side. Now guys, you're going to go ahead and get your ginger. You want to make sure you wash them off properly, guys, because I won't be peeling them, especially in these creases. Make sure you wash off the dirt. Guys, make sure you wash your ginger properly, guys. You don't want to put no dirty ginger in the pot when you're boiling your sorrel. Just want to make sure you rub them. Get off all those dirt and the debris that's on it. There's one side, guys. Continue the same process until you finish washing off your ginger. Like that. You want to break them, like in the joints there. Just break them and then wash off that dirt. What you see I just did. Just like that, guys. Now there you have it, guys. I'm finished washing off my ginger. Now guys, my water is still not come to a boil, so I'm just going to go ahead and start to grate up my ginger that I just wash off. You want to remember, guys, you want to make sure you rinse your ginger properly. Get away all of that dirt from in the creases and stuff like that. I'll be using this side of my grater to grate my ginger. Guys, just like that. I'll be grating some, and I'll also be using some of them whole. I'll be smashing them with using my red label bottle just to smash my ginger to put inside of that sorrel when it's boiling. Just guys, I'll get right back to you. Now here you have it, guys. This is how you want your ginger to look when you finish grating it. Now my water is also come to a boil. Just gonna remove my lid. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my pimento seed in. I'm using about 1.5 tablespoons of pimento seed. Also my cinnamon stick and my cinnamon leaf. Just adding them in here too, guys. just gonna go ahead and add your sorrel in now into that boiling water. Gradually, guys. You don't want that hot water to pop up on you guys. Just take your time and put it in. Just like that, guys. And you just want to go ahead and put your ginger that you just grated inside of it too. I'm just going to use my red label bottle. You want to make sure you clean off the bottom of it, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and smash some of my ginger. Just like that, guys. Just want to smash it out and add it to your sorrel in the pot. Just like that, guys. Just gonna push down everything. Now, guys, you want to make sure your water cover the sorrel. Just like that, guys. Oh, my spoon is turning red. I should have used my plastic spoon, but anyway, it's done in it already. So you want to do it, guys. Now you're gonna leave this to boil for about 30 to 40 minutes. Before you check back on it to see if it's properly boiled, guys. I'll get right back to you when it's all boiled up. Now here you have it, guys. After that 35 minutes of boiling, this, guys, is what my sorrel is looking like. I'm telling you guys, it's smelling so amazing with that cinnamon and the pimento and especially the ginger. Can't wait to have a glass of this sorrel, guys. I'm telling you. It tastes so lovely. Yes, guys. Now I'm just gonna turn this off. Turn off now. Now I'm just gonna leave it here, guys, for about 2 days to cure before I start to strain it and sweeten it in my brown sugar. I'm just gonna leave it into my pot. So stay tuned for that when I'm preparing that, guys. Now it's been 2 days now since my sorrel has been in this pot curing. I'm just going to show you guys what it's looking like. Look at that, guys. Wow, the sorrel looking so lovely. It smells so nice, guys, with that ginger, the cinnamon leaf, and the pimento. Yes, guys. Now I'm just going to strain this off into a basin and then start to sweeten it with my sugar. Yes, guys. Get right back to you. Now, guys, you're gonna go ahead and get yourself a basin or a pot where you're gonna strain your sorrel into to get that juice from it. Yes, guys. Push this one side. You're also gonna get your strainer. I'm using two. I'm using this small one and this other one to make sure it's strained properly. Yes, guys. I don't want to have any grain into my sorrel. When you're drinking it, you want to make sure it's strained properly and drink smooth. Also, you're gonna need a second basin where you're going to put that sorrel in when you're finished straining it, because you can also use back that sorrel to boil again, guys, that you strain off and get some more from it. Yes, guys. Now I'm just going to go in and start to strain this sorrel just like that, guys. Guys, you want to make sure you squeeze out that sorrel and get the juice from it. Like I'm doing it here, guys. That's how you want to do it. Guys, I'm telling you, this sorrel looking so nice. Yes, guys. I'm just gonna throw this into here now. You want to do it, squeeze it up like that, guys, and get the juice from it. Make sure you squeeze it properly, guys, because you want to get all of that juice from it, all of that lovely pimento and ginger, that cinnamon leaf that boil out in that sorrel. You need to squeeze it properly, guys. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished straining my sorrel and let you see the result of it. It's looking like this, guys. Now here I have it. I've finished strained off all my sorrel, and here's my juice from it. Yes, guys, and also on the trash. Here is it, the sorrel trash. Now, guys, as I said before, I'm going to boil this again, get a second boil out of it to get some more sorrel from it, guys, and add some more ginger, a little bit more cinnamon leaf and pimento to it, and get a second boil from this, guys. That's how you want to do it, guys. Now I'm just going to strain my sorrel one more time, because I like when my sorrel is properly strained to get anything that's going to this one. So I'm just going to strain it again, guys, just like this. I'm telling you, sorrel drink looking so lovely, guys. Smelling so nice. Guys, that's it. So I get a spoon now. Just gonna mix this around. So you want to strain your sorrel properly, guys. Make sure when you're finished straining it, it's drink smooth and nice, guys. You don't have any dregs in it, if you know what I mean, guys. When you drink it, you don't taste any bits of the sorrel or the ginger. See, guys, look at that. All of that bits leave back in your strainer. That's what I'm talking about, guys. You don't want all of that into your drink when you're drinking your sorrel juice. Now, guys, I will get back to you when I'm gonna sweeten this. Now I'm going in with 1 cup of brown sugar to sweeten my sorrel, guys. Just going in 1 cup first, and then sweeten and taste. So guys, my wooden spoon, just to mix it around. Now just give that a taste and see if it needs any more sugar. So guys, I'm going in 1 more cup of sugar and see. Let's sweeten that now. I will get right back to you guys when I'm finished sweetening my sorrel and let you know how many sugar I put in there. Now I finished sweetening my sorrel with about 3 cups of brown sugar I put in there. Yes, guys, and I'm telling you, it's tasting so amazing. It's wonderful. Now, guys, I'm just going to go in with my Wray white rum. I'm using 1/4 of a cup of white rum. That's about like 2 corkful or 2.5 corkful of white rum. Put it in. Guys. Also, I'm going into the same thing. 1/4 of a cup of red label wine. Guys, if you don't drink alcohol, you don't have to put it in there. That's optional, guys, but it's a traditional thing. When you're making your sorrel, you put the alcohol inside of it. Yes, guys. Now I'm just gonna stir this alcohol around into my sorrel. Give it a taste after when I'm finished stirring, guys, to see if it needs any more. Let's give it a taste now. guys, perfect. I don't need any more alcohol. That's perfect for me. It's all drink color. Now guys, you're gonna get your bottle that you're gonna put your sorrel in. I buy these bottles on Amazon, yes guys, or you can check on eBay and get them. They also come with like a top that you can just clip down. Yes guys, I'm just gonna pour my sorrel into them, but before I pour my sorrel into it, I'm just gonna put some rice, some white rice grain inside of it with some pimento to keep it preserved, guys. I'm gonna put that rice and that pimento into it. Yes guys. Also, you want to go ahead and get a funnel when you're doing this. You can put like up to a teaspoon of rice into your bottle. And also the same thing, a teaspoon of pimento. Yes guys, that's it. That's it guys, that's how you want to do it. Put that pimento in that bottle there. Now it's time to pour it out into my bottle. I'm just going to use a cup. So I'll get right back to you when I'm finished this guys. When I finish fill up my bottles with this sorrel. Now there you have it guys. I've finished poured out all my sorrel drink into my bottles, and the rest that leave back I pour it into my glass jug. Now guys, I'm just going to put these on the fridge to chill. I'm just gonna have a glass of this later with my dinner. That's what leave back into the jug there. Now these, I'm just gonna leave them for Christmas. Yes guys, because you see I put the rice in it to keep it, to preserve. I can keep it all up till next year guys. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Click that notification bell too guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.